Welcome to Easy English once again. Today's topic, present simple tense. What are the rules, the steps, and how do we use present simple tense in our daily life? In this video, I'm going to teach you in detail. But before that, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. So stay with me. Present simple tense, and where do we use it? We use present simple tense for daily routine or everyday activities. It's very simple. We do things, habits, some actions every day in our life. Routine activities. We use present simple tense. There are some basic rules to make present simple tense and to understand it. Rule number 1. Whenever we want to make a sentence, we need verb. In English language, there are 3. Each verb has 3 forms. Go, went, gone, play, played, played, write, wrote, written, see, saw, seen. So here, go, went, and gone. You can see it clearly. Go is the first form of the verb, went is second form of the verb, and gone is third form of the verb. In present simple tense, so we use first form of the verb in present simple tense. Go. Go only. I go to school. I go to shopping. Rule number 2. We can add S or ES to the main verb, to the action verb, if the sentence starts with he, she, it, or singular name. If the sentence starts with he, she, it, or singular name, singular noun, the main verb, action verb, we normally add S or ES. Example, you read a book, it's okay. But if you put she reads the book. Why we put S? Because we know the rule. You read a book, she reads a book. I play football, Ali plays football. They go for hunting, Sarah drives a car. So whenever we use present simple tense, we put S or ES with the verb when we use he, she, it, or singular name. Yeah. The next example, I drive a car. I drive a car. Present simple tense. John drives a car, and you can see the difference. S drives a car. S is there. Why? Because John is singular noun. And according to present simple rules, we put SES with the first form of the verb whenever we use he, she, it, or singular name in present simple tense. They catch a bird. They catch a bird. Sarah catches a bird. Simply you can see the difference. ES catches because Sarah is singular noun. Clear? So, we make question in present simple tense. So, how do we make question in present simple tense? We are using simply do and does. Do we use with I, you, they, we, and plural nouns. Does we use with he, she, it, and singular name, singular noun. Very simple. Example, you like juice. With you, normally we use do. Do you like juice? But if we are using she drives a car, she. Does she drive a car? Does she drive a car? We use do with I, you, they, we, and plural names. We use does with he, she, it, singular name when we want to make a sentence question in present simple tense. I hope it's clear till now. Let's go to negative. How do we make negative? In present simple tense, negative means deny or refuse an action. For example, do you like perfume? I don't like. So you refuse the act, you refuse the action, you refuse the event, you refuse the talk. Refusal. We use do not and does not in present simple tense to make the sentence negative. Very simple and easy. We use do not with I, you, we, they, and plural names or plural nouns. We use does not with he, she, it, singular name or singular noun to make the sentence negative. For example, they hit the car. They do not or don't hit the car. Negative. Negation of the sentence. Jesse reads a story. Jesse does not read a story. So, with they, do not, and with Jesse, it's a singular name, does not. Present simple tense, rules, points, question, answers, with examples, everything is clear, I hope. See you in the next video.